If alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial px²+qx+r, then find the value of α³ beta plus β³ into alpha. So here alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial px²+qx+r. So what I'll do, I'll find the value of sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta. Formula is minus b by a. So if I'll compare with the standard one, ax² plus bx plus c, the value of a is p, b is q, c is r. So alpha plus beta is minus q by p. Next, in the same way, I'll find product of the zeros, alpha into beta. Formula is c by a. So alpha into beta is c value is here, r by a is p. So alpha plus beta and alpha into beta values I got it. Now I need to find here, I need to find α³ beta plus β³ alpha. So in this, if I'll take alpha beta common, I'll be left with α² plus β². So α² plus β², to find the value of α² plus β², I'll use the identity α² plus β² is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So I'll write the value here, alpha beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha into beta is r by p. Alpha plus beta is minus q by p whole square minus 2 into r by p. Now if I'll simplify this further, here you'll get r by p into q square by p square minus 2r by p. Now next step, here I'll write α³ beta plus β³ alpha is nothing but r by p. If I'll take LCM, which is p square, here LCM is p square. Already we have p square, so I'll multiply, I'll write as it is q square. Here we have p, but LCM is p square, so I'll multiply p to rp. So r into q square minus 2rp by p cube, or you can write as, you can multiply r also, q square r minus 2r square p by p cube. You can leave it here. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.